If I haven't made it obvious already, I'm completely against the idea of a digital currency replacing physical cash or a cashless society in general, frankly. And my reasoning for this is very simple. Normies will say that, oh, digital cash will make everything more easy. We all use contactless, we use PayPal, we've got online banking, and some people will even say something as cringe as, cash is old, digital's new, it's more in line with modern times. I completely disagree. If there is no cash and everything is digital, then it opens up God knows how many doors for potential control over your money. There's some people out there that don't trust banks, which I completely understand. I don't trust digital currency. I don't trust the fact that one day, if all of my money is digital and I don't have any physical cash that I could do transactions with, one day a bank or a platform like PayPal could just decide one day, nope, we're pulling you. You violated our terms of service for whatever reason, you can no longer pay for anything. You can no longer use our services. We're going to shut down your bank account, have fun living. And I can already hear some of you saying that will never happen. It's already happened. For one, China is already making a step towards a cashless society, and we all know about their infamous social credit score, where they basically monitor your behaviour. If you do good things, your social credit score goes up. If you do things the government doesn't like, such as talking about a certain thing that happened in a certain year towards the end of the 20th century, or saying something negative about President Xi, your social credit score goes down and you lose access to things like healthcare, jobs, and even bank accounts, so you can't even pay for anything anymore. Have fun living. And again, I can hear you guys saying, that's China though. Okay, that is China. How about Canada? Yeah, that's right. Freedom-loving Canada. That was a misleading headline. The people of Canada who were just protesting lockdowns and the idea of mandatory Vs. Nope, we're going to shut their bank accounts down. Or at least we're going to try to. And some Australian states considered doing it as well. Considered. Now, I don't give a damn what your status is on the whole issue. The simple idea that a government could decide one day that they're going to force companies to shut down your bank accounts because you did something that they don't like is absolutely terrifying to me. And so people can't pull a straw man and try and take me out of context. I'm not talking about terrorists or people that have physically blown someone up or gone to fight in a war and committed treason, Shamima Begum. I'm talking about something as simple as going on a protest. A protest for a government policy that you don't agree with. And it's a slippery slope, guys. And I feel like I have to stress this because people will make excuses. Oh yeah, well I don't care about them. They're causing harm. They deserve it. Okay, then when do you stop? If you justify shutting down bank accounts once and seizing digital currency, you can justify it again and again and again. In conclusion, what do I think of physical cash being replaced by a digital currency or crypto endorsed by government? Disavow!